Welcome to Animal Realm, your ultimate destination for all things wild. Let's know about. Deer are among the most graceful and fascinating animals in the animal kingdom. Belonging to the family Cervidae, deer are ruminant mammals that are characterized by their slender legs, cloven hooves, and, in most species, antlers. These animals are found in a wide variety of habitats across the globe, from dense forests to open grasslands. Physical characteristics. Deer vary widely in size, color, and other physical traits depending on the species and their environment. Some common features among deer include a lean body, long legs, and a short tail. Most species of deer have antlers, which are typically found only on males, although there are exceptions. For example, both male and female reindeer, or caribou, grow antlers. Antlers are unique to deer and differ from the horns of other animals in that they are shed and regrown annually. Made of bone, antlers start growing in the spring and are covered with a soft, vascular tissue known as velvet. By late summer or early fall, the velvet is shed, revealing the hardened antlers. These antlers are used in mating displays and fights with other males during the rut, or breeding season. Deer have a variety of coat colors, ranging from reddish-brown in the summer to gray or brown in the winter, providing camouflage in their natural habitats. They also have distinctive markings, such as white patches on the throat, underbelly, and underside of the tail. Habitat and distribution. Deer are highly adaptable and occupy a wide range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, wetlands, and mountains. Different species have adapted to specific environments, ensuring their survival in diverse regions. White-tailed deer. Common in North America, they are highly adaptable and can be found in forests, farmlands, and even suburban areas. Red deer. Found in Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa, they prefer woodlands and grasslands. Mule deer. Native to western North America, they inhabit forests, deserts, and mountainous regions. Reindeer. Caribou inhabit Arctic and subarctic regions, thriving in tundra and boreal forests. Deer are generally crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the dawn and dusk. This behavior helps them avoid predators and extreme weather conditions. Diet and feeding behavior. Deer are herbivores, with a diet consisting primarily of leaves, twigs, fruits, and nuts. Their diet varies seasonally and regionally based on the availability of food sources. During the spring and summer, deer feed on a variety of green plants, while in the fall and winter, they rely more on woody vegetation and mast, acorns, nuts, and fruits. Deer are ruminants, which means they have a specialized stomach with 4 chambers that allow them to digest tough plant materials. They first chew and swallow their food, which is then partially digested in the rumen and reticulum. The food, known as cud, is regurgitated, chewed again, and swallowed for further digestion in the omasum and abomasum. Behavior and social structure. Deer exhibit a range of behaviors and social structures, which can vary significantly among species and environments. Generally, deer are social animals that form groups known as herds. These herds provide protection from predators and facilitate breeding. Matriarchal groups. Female deer and their offspring often form matriarchal groups. These groups are led by an older, experienced doe and consist of related females and their young. Bachelor groups. Male deer may form small bachelor groups outside of the breeding season. These groups disband during the rut when males compete for access to females. Territoriality. Some species, like the white-tailed deer, are territorial, with males establishing and defending territories during the breeding season. They use scent marking and physical displays to deter rivals. During the rut, males exhibit a range of behaviors to attract females and compete with other males. These behaviors include vocalizations, antler displays, and physical combat. The strongest and most dominant males typically win the right to mate with the females. Reproduction and lifespan. The breeding season, or rut, occurs in the fall, triggered by changes in daylight and temperature. During this time, males engage in displays of strength and dominance to attract females. After mating, the gestation period for deer ranges from 180 to 240 days, depending on the species. Female deer, or does, typically give birth to 1 or 2 fawns, although some species can have up to 4. Fawns are born with spots that provide camouflage, and they remain hidden in vegetation for the first few weeks of life. During this period, the mother visits the fawn periodically to nurse and care for it. As the fawns grow, they begin to follow their mother and learn essential survival skills. Weaning occurs around 2 to 3 months of age, but fawns may stay with their mother for up to a year. The lifespan of deer varies by species, with most living between 10 to 20 years in the wild. Predation, disease, and environmental factors all influence their longevity. Cultural significance. Deer have played a significant role in human culture and mythology for centuries. They are often associated with qualities such as grace, beauty, and gentleness. In many cultures, deer are revered and symbolize various virtues and spiritual beliefs. Native American culture. In many Native American tribes, deer are seen as symbols of peace, gentleness, and fertility. They are also featured in numerous myths and stories. Celtic mythology. In Celtic traditions, deer are associated with the forest and the otherworld. They are seen as messengers between humans and supernatural beings. Eastern traditions. In Chinese and Japanese cultures, deer are symbols of longevity and good fortune. They are often depicted in art and folklore. Deer also hold economic importance. They are hunted for their meat, known as venison, and their hides, which are used to make leather products. Antlers, shed annually, are collected and used in various crafts and traditional medicines. Conservation status and threats. While some deer species are abundant and widespread, others face significant threats that put their populations at risk. Habitat loss, hunting, disease, and climate change are major challenges that impact deer worldwide. Habitat loss, urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation reduce the natural habitats available to deer, leading to population declines. Hunting. While regulated hunting can help manage deer populations and provide economic benefits, illegal poaching poses a serious threat to some species. Disease. Diseases such as chronic wasting disease, CWD, and bovine tuberculosis can devastate deer populations and spread to other wildlife. Climate change. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns affect the availability of food and water, altering deer habitats and behavior. Conservation efforts for deer include habitat protection, regulated hunting, disease management, and research. Wildlife corridors and protected areas help maintain healthy populations by providing safe habitats and migration routes. Conclusion. Deer are remarkable animals that have adapted to a wide range of environments and play important roles in their ecosystems. Their grace and beauty have captivated humans for centuries, and they continue to hold cultural and economic significance. However, the challenges they face require ongoing conservation efforts to ensure their survival. By understanding and protecting deer, we can help preserve the natural balance and beauty of our world. The study of deer offers valuable insights into wildlife biology, ecology, and the intricate connections between humans and nature. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey through the animal realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Until next time, stay wild and explore the beauty of nature.